Hello children, all of you must have wondered sometime or the other as to how and why the clouds can float in the air. Some of you might have got some satisfactory answer from your elders, and for all of those who have not been able to get any satisfactory answer, here I am going to explain with the help of this simple experiment the reason behind the floating of clouds in air. So here we have got this long vial which is having two layers of liquids. At the bottom is the water layer and the top is a layer of oil. So oil is lighter than the water, that's why it remains on the top. Other than that, we have got these three objects. So first one is this wooden piece, which is actually a piece of pencil which has been cut off from the tip and from the center of which the graphite lead has been removed. This is the lightest one, and the next one, this one is having little more density. This is a piece of plastic, white plastic, and the heaviest one with the maximum density is this piece of stone. So we have to try to see what is going to happen when we drop these three objects one by one in this vertical vial. So firstly, I'll drop this piece of wood. So it doesn't sink even in oil, and it floats on the surface of oil. Even if I push it down, it is not going to sink because it is lighter than the oil. So next we have to try to see what is going to happen when I drop this piece of plastic in the vial. So it sinks in the oil and settles down on the surface of water because it is having more density than oil but less density than the water. So lastly, when we drop this stone, it is obvious to guess what is going to happen. The stone is going to sink all the way to the bottom. So it settles down to the bottom of the vial. Try to bring it to the front. So here now you can see we have got these three objects at three different levels. The stone is at the bottom and the plastic piece is in the center at the surface of water, and this wooden piece is on the top at the surface of the oil. So these three objects behave differently according to their densities. So with the help of this observation, we have to try to understand why the clouds are floating in the air. So what happens is, when the surface of the earth on which some water is there, it gets heated up with sunlight, the water forms water vapors. Since they are warm, they rise, they are light, they rise through the air, and while they are rising they keep on cooling down. So when they reach a certain level, they cool down so much that they condense to form clouds, and these clouds settle down at this level because the air below is heavier than the clouds and the air above is lighter than the clouds. So that's why they can't move up, they can't move down, they settle at a level where the density of the air matches with the density of the clouds. So similarly, we can understand the phenomena very easily because when we compare the clouds with a piece of plastic. So plastic also settles down at this level because the water below is heavier and the oil above is lighter. So clouds also similarly settle down at a certain level according to their density. So I hope I have been able to explain to your satisfaction and you found the experiment interesting and knowledgeable. Thank you for watching.